back to my channel and to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Nicola and I make lifestyle videos, and it's starting to feel very festive. So yeah, I thought I would get all the decorations done in a couple of days. If you saw my last video, you will see that that didn't happen. It took a lot longer, and actually I've only really just finished. I had hoped to get this video up at the weekend, but no. I actually did paint our entryway, so our hallway. So if you saw the last video, you'll see I painted the stairs and going up the stairs and all the woodwork, and then this weekend I've painted all of our hallway, so it's all looking fresh and clean. It's so lovely, it's so nice to see all the marks on the walls gone, and the woodwork all looking fresh and clean. There were bits where when we had Buddy as a puppy, he chewed the skirting board, so I kind of done my best to fill that in and sand it. I mean, if you look closely, it doesn't look the best, but at a distance, it looks fine. So yeah, all in all, I'm super happy with the result. And then after that, I finished decorating. So we've done the hallway, my office, the kitchen, and then obviously the lounge was done, and then I've done our bedroom as well. So I used to do the children's bedrooms, but I'm just not a child anymore. He's an adult, and if he wanted to do it, he could, but he doesn't usually bother. Phoebe wants a red Christmas tree, a little red one, and I've seen one in Pound Stretcher. So next time in town, I'm going to see if they've still got it, and I'll get one. She just wants a little red Christmas tree in her room. She hasn't really got room for anything else. It's such a small room. So, so yeah, that's also, I haven't bothered doing the children's bedrooms. But yeah, it's all looking super festive and cozy and lovely, and time for us to enjoy this festive season. Has everyone done their Christmas shopping? I have not. I think I talked in my, I did a very quick video before I was going out back Black Friday, and I said I wanted to buy a new air fryer, the Ninja one. I did not, because it didn't go down very much in price. And then I was in Aldi at the weekend doing my food shop, and they had the dual air fryer with the large zone, with the divider, exactly what I wanted, for $69.99. So I bought it. I texted Andrew and I was like, should I get this? And he said, probably. And I went, it's already in my trolley. So yeah, super chuffed to have that, and it's been really handy. We've used it loads already, although I need to get to grips with the instructions on how to use it, because I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, let's get on with this video. It's not going to be the longest, because I haven't filmed a huge amount of me actually decorating, little snippets here and there, and then a full house tour of all the decorations, which is very similar probably to previous ones, but there'll be little bits here and there that are different. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Click the like button if you enjoy the video, and leave me a nice comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer, but now I got my this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Yes, I'm coming home to
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come.